How to pay Starlink monthly subscription. In this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to make your monthly subscription payment on Starlink. Now, first things first, you actually have two options. If you're going to be using the application on Starlink via your mobile device, the actual process is going to be the same. So, for example, you're using your PC, just head straight into Starlink's official site, click these three lines right here, and then choose on Sign In. Once you've successfully logged in, just head straight into your account billing tab, and from the balance due, you should be able to see the certain amount that you need to settle. For you to make that payment, just simply choose this option here that says make a payment, and then on the next page, you will be asked to input or choose a designated payment method if you would like to have it as an auto pay or to input your credentials manually. Next is once you've successfully made a payment, you will receive a confirmation that that specific amount you paid will still be under pending because they are currently processing your payment. It will be applied to your pending balance soon. But this is it. That's how you make a payment on Starlink for your monthly subscription.